installation of the Saris stack rack is composed of 3 main steps. Step 1. Assemble the frame, post and legs, and anchor to the floor. Step 2. Assemble the roller guides to the main frame. Set spacing to your desired width. If the arms are close together, more arms will fit on the rack, and more bicycles can be stored. Be sure to allow enough room for bicycles to fit in each tray without bumping into each other. For spacing recommendations, call Saris Cycling Group's commercial parking team. Step 3. Install bike tray assembly onto roller guides. Secure in place by installing lower roller assembly. The Saris stack rack was designed so that after the rack is assembled, little additional maintenance is needed. To find out more about how Saris Cycling Group can help you satisfy all of your commercial parking needs, give us a call or visit us on the web at sarisparking.com.